Hi, I'm Aaron Chu. I'm here tonight in Brazil for exclusive interview with Fino. Can I say escort? Total bottom. Very explicit. All different dick sizes fuck pretty well. Pull with a dick, I'm like. I'm a big slut, so I like everybody. Yeah. Only done porn 2 months. I realized porn is a nice way. It's not just look at me, but you know, so many different people doing porn that you can, I guess, represent yourself, and just by being yourself, people will feel more comfortable about who they are because everyone is so different, and you don't have to be the same or beautiful, you know, to be in porn. Since I was like 16, 17, I've been doing sex work, so it's very natural for me to do it. Yeah, I tried doing some other things. I went to school, but I didn't finish. But if you're at home, you should finish school because it's very important. Everything moves really fast. The first guy who I filmed with was Raheem. He is really popular, and he found me on Twitter when I just started. That was 2 months ago. And he said, do you want to film? And I was like, of course. Like, you know, I saw he was popular, and also I was like, this is a really big opportunity. I just said yes, I didn't think about it. I didn't expect to like it, but the first scene I shot, it's like I fell in love with making porn. Because for me, when you're in having sex on camera, it's like you can just give everything you have and put all your energy into it, and then the audience sees that. In the US, there are a lot of Asian guys, I think, experience discrimination, and they think like people don't like them because they're Asian. But for me, at least, it was a big asset because it's like there's no Asian guys doing escorting. There's maybe like 10. A lot of people think I'm a top because I have muscles and I'm a bit taller. And I guess I look like a top sometimes. Even on Grindr, I'll say like total bottom, muscle bottom, whatever, you know, slut. Sometimes I get in my head because people can be disappointed when they find out that I'm not a top, I'm total bottom. I've tried topping, I've done it like 5 times, you know, not for me. So, you know, my type is like, I like older guys. I don't usually like guys who are like too hot, I guess. But then when I came here, I was like, wow, everyone is like really beautiful. And so I was like, yeah, I agree. Brazilian men are really hot. That's for sure. Yes. The guys here are bigger. I think first is like take fiber, because your diet is important. So if you take enough fiber, it makes it easier to clean because it'll just be cleaner and it pushes everything out, and it leaves your like intestines cleaner. 2, I would say Imodium helps, which is an over-the-counter drug that can kind of like slow things down, which also makes it easier to clean. And then 3, it depends on who you're getting fucked by, but I would say douche until the water is clean. Sometimes try not to put too much water, because I make that mistake a lot. And like if you do too much water, then it encourages everything else to come out, which is like too much. And then afterwards, if you have a dildo or a butt plug, stick it in there, leave it there for a bit, because it'll open the walls, and then when you pull out, sometimes extra water will come out. Yeah, and then you're ready. I think that's the best part about OnlyFans, because there's no producer saying I want specifically these boys and maybe all the boys look the same. You can be anything, you can be any color, you can be any race and still be beautiful. And then everyone has a different personality, like some are femme, some are not femme, you know, some people are, you know, just nerdy or video game lovers, or someone is like in a serious business, and everyone's just different. So it's, I really like femtops. I don't find a lot of femtops to film with, but I would like to. I mean, I've only been filming for 2 months, so that's a good idea. So I think I will probably like on Twitter be like, any femtops want to film? I'm a Scorpio, so I'm very used to like weird things. I like almost every kink. Being tied up, like dom, sub, ropes, piss play, feet, clothes, femme, everything. Yeah, almost nothing like I don't like. Thanks guys for watching and listening. I had an awesome time here in Brazil with Fino, and follow me at Asian Muscle Boy, Twitter, OnlyFans, Instagram.
Tell me the words in Portuguese that you know how to pronounce.
Okay, bom dia, obrigado, hola, ciao ciao, gostoso,
Gostoso.
gostoso, eu te amo, putaria.